dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 deals. Where's my pen, bitch?
Hello everyone. I bet you're wondering, Tia, why does your face look like that? Or maybe you're not. I don't know. But if you did wonder, you probably already know by the thumbnail. But today I am doing the Google Pix My Makeup Challenge. Now this challenge was made by Nikkie's Tutorials. And I saw the video today and I loved it and I loved the idea. So I decided to look up my initials because the challenge, well, this particular challenge, it said there's going to be a series of them, but this particular challenge is you search your first initial, your last initial, and put look at the end of it. So I did that, and you're supposed to pick the first picture that pops up, and this was my picture. So I guess this kind of just happened because TJ and TJ Maxx, like a lot of TJ Maxx stuff popped up. I guess this kind of worked out because it's fashion. So I'm thinking about taking the color, the gold in her shoes and making that like the highlight, and her dress, the black and the tan. I was thinking I can make like a smoky eye or something, and then the bricks behind her, I was thinking about using that as like the bronzer because it's kind of like a bronze brassy looking bricks. In my head I have a good idea for this, but it also might crash and burn, so I don't know, we'll see. But let's go on over to my Ratchet makeup section over here. I just want to warn you guys, when I say ratchet, I really mean ratchet. I am in no way some MUA or anything. Don't take anything, any of the makeup that I do and take it as makeup tips, because I'm no MUA, so like a lot of stuff I'm doing, you're probably gonna look at me and be like, yeah, so let's just do it. Okay, so here we are at my Ratchet makeup area. So like I said before, I'm just gonna recap. Nothing that I do is meant, I don't know, it's just not some beauty guru stuff. First I'm going to put some of this e.l.f. makeup mist on my face. This is what I use as primer. I've never used like an actual primer before, so yeah, this is what I do. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Master Conceal and I'm gonna put it over my eyes because we're gonna do our eyeshadow first. So I'm just putting concealer in my eyes just to make the colors pop more. The makeup I use is not very pigmented. I use drugstore makeup, not gonna lie. So now that we have that all situated, we're gonna move on with our eyes. So in this picture, she has this black sparkly dress on, and it's like black lace over like a tan dress. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild kit that I have right here. I'll show it to you. It's really big, but it's not that special. Like I said, I use drugstore makeup, so here it is, my Wet n Wild palette. I'm using fancy words, guys. So in her video, she kind of just pat the color down. I want to try that technique, but I'm taking my lighter color, like the tan that's on the dress, and I'm gonna be putting that on first and like make that kind of like a base on my eyelid and kind of work from there. So I'm just gonna put this down first because the black in the picture is over the tan. So I'm gonna take my black from this Profusion Smoky Eye palette. I'm not gonna do anything special with it right now because I kind of had this idea with eyeliner to kind of recreate the lace, but I'm not good with designs. It's alright. Like I said, I'm no MUA, so don't take what I'm doing literally or anything.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that.
I ruined it. So yeah, I'll fix that. I'll fix it. The side has more black over here, so I'm gonna try and do that over here. I suck at smoky eye. Oh my god. I mean, that kind of worked. I should just re-conceal there. There we go. I'm gonna try and make some of that lace that she has on her face with some eyeliner, because Lord knows this look needs help. So I'm not gonna exactly do the same little floral print that she has, because I can't do flowers. You know, maybe I can. We'll see. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. I don't know. Okay. I mean, guys, that kind of looks good if you can see. I may be able to save this look. Okay, I don't know what went on with that petal. Okay, so I'm back. This is what I came up with. I mean, it kind of looks good. Some of the flowers are bad, some of them are good. And yeah, I didn't really think I could do this, but guys, it actually looks kind of good. So I went ahead, I did my foundation and I baked. And now we're gonna try and do our bronzer like the picture. So I have this Maybelline Master Highlight. I also have this bronzer kit, which this color kind of goes with the bricks in the picture. And then I also have these two Anastasia contour kits. I'm gonna start off with what is it called? Contour. So yeah, I'm just gonna start with this contour just to get the ball rolling, and then we're gonna see what we can do with that bronzer look. I'm gonna take the Master Highlight, and yeah, it kind of already looks like bricks, so I guess if I just use this alone, we already got it down. And I'm just gonna try and cover up the lightness that my bake gives me, basically, and then also make my face look like a brick, I guess. Now I'm gonna go in with this. As you can see, I like it a lot. It's not only is it broken, but they're really used. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush right here and use this shade and try to do something. I'm also gonna go in with this color because that's also like the cement in between the bricks. It kind of looks like that, so I'm gonna try and layer it so you can see the difference a little bit. I mean, I don't hate it, but I also don't love it. Oh, I look really shiny now. Okay. So now we're gonna find the highlight, and like I said, I'm gonna try and get my highlight to look like the shoes. So I'm gonna use a mix of this golden highlight in the medium to tan contour kit, and then also this highlight in the light to medium contour kit. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put on some mascara and we're gonna go over this whole look. Okay. Huh, I was recording this whole time. Well, alrighty then. So this is my finished look. Honestly, I'm not upset with this. I am actually happy with this. I can't stop looking at myself. I'm sorry. But yeah, I really like this look. I'm surprised that I was actually able to draw the flowers in my eyes, and the bronzer, I really like that. Like, I usually don't put like a lot of bronzer on, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Like, it's spring going into summer. Like, bronzer, you're about to make your comeback. Like, but yeah, I'm really feeling this. I love this challenge. I just noticed that my eyebrows are like 2 different sizes, but you know what? That's fine. That's not the look wasn't about my eyebrows though. where was I? Yeah, I really enjoyed doing this challenge. It was fun, and freehanding the flowers, that was a real challenge, but it was, yeah, it was fun in the end. And maybe, guys, maybe I'm gonna be like the next big MUA, like, honestly. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did like it, then like this video. Also, subscribe and comment down below what challenge you'd want to see me do next, or what you want me to react to, because I also make react videos. Check out my channel to see those. And if you do recommend me do something, then make sure you turn on the post notifications, so then if I do it, you can see me do it. And yeah, that is all for this video. So thank you and goodbye.